I'm Tristram Carey, also from Winchfield. I think one of the issues on the moral health of the country is the way that the nanny state, if I can call it that, takes away responsibility and self-reliance from citizens. And I think if people had more, were given more power to control their own lives and didn't think that everything was run by rules from somebody else, then that would induce a feeling of self-reliance, and I think that would improve people's moral health because they would take more responsibility for their local communities and for their actions.
Thank you. Any other contributions from the floor?
Perhaps the Lib Dem, sorry, my name's Stephen Sheridan and I live in Hartley Witney. Perhaps the Lib Dem candidate could enhance the moral standing of his party by encouraging them to hand back the £1 million they received from the convicted fraudster, and by not having a parliamentary candidate who's a female porn director.
Yes, well, I have to say that I'm one of those members who actually opposed that fact that that candidate porn director was actually nominated. I think it's completely wrong. But, you know, in a political party, there's going to be a lot of debate, there's going to be a lot of disagreement. You're not going to have everyone of the same view facing the same direction. What is important is that you actually elect a candidate who reflects your moral values. I signed the Westminster Declaration, so I do actually support the views of people of faith to express their opinions and not to be able to be dominated by a secular agenda. So I'm obviously going to be at odds with some of the candidates in my party, but not everyone's going to be facing the same direction. That's democracy. So in terms of the £1 million that should have been paid back, yes, I agree, it should have been paid back. But you know, the decision has to be made by the party itself. But we all have a contribution, and as members of the party, we all decide, and the majority view is the one that takes precedence.
Thank you very much. Any other contributions?